I realised when I was about 3 or 4 years old there was something different about me, because I preferred always to play with the girls rather than the boys, and I wanted to be a girl. And I remember about 5 or 6 years old borrowing my mum's clothes to wear to school, because I was practicing to be the woman I was going to grow up into. I've been transsexual all my life, but due to family pressures, I wasn't able to transition fully until 2007. Trans means that you have a difficulty with the gender you were assigned at birth. If you're transsexual, that means you think you are in the wrong gender. And when I went to university, we didn't have words like transgender. We had words like deviant and sex change. I explored that and was told, no, that's not for you. You shall find a girlfriend, get married, and it'll all go away. If you deny who you are, that can lead to depression. It can lead to, in some cases, self-harm. Or you can do what I did, and a lot of trans people do. You work incredibly hard so that you're so tired when you do stop, you can't even think about who you are. You just want to sleep. There is so much discrimination. Some of it is very open. I've had tranny written on the side of the car with a penknife. Again, it challenges people's perception of what it is to be male or female. Fortunately, a lot of the young people today are much more open. But if I were looking back to my life when I first came out, I think I'd have said, be yourself, because eventually it will come out. And I feel in some ways very sad that I'm no longer in touch with my wife or my children. They didn't ask to have a transsexual father, nor did my wife ask to be married to a transsexual person. Since I retired, I've been able to spend a lot more time working in our community, both the trans community and the wider community. People who I have made contact with, who've become friends, I've often said, you know, how do you feel about being friends with a trans person? And they've almost been shocked I've asked the question, and have said, well, you're our friend Jennyanne. You know, we see you as a person, not as a trans person. And if you can reach that level of understanding with people, they find out we're just like everybody else, with the same problems and the same aspirations and dreams as everybody else.